The Opportunity and Risk Management Institute, OMI Ghana, has taken another steps to promote science, technology, engineering, and mathematics STEM education in the Volta region.
Starting from myself, I'm Teacher Francis, Head of Science Department, and I also double as the coordinator for OMI. So I coordinate all the schools in the Volta region for OMI.
The event provided a platform for stakeholders to come together and discuss the importance of STEM education. The STEM Schools Coordinator, Mr. Francis Geche, played a key role in introducing the various stakeholders and providing an overview of the program.
Next, we have teachers in the science department. Some are here, seated on the corridor. Mr. Namon Patrick is there, chemistry teacher. Mr. Nuopo Fred is there, physics teacher. Mr. Greku Lucas is there, physics teacher. And Mr. Nutua Goswe is there, integrated science teacher. Now we come here. This program is sponsored by OMI. OMI stands for Opportunity and Risk Management Institute. The person in charge of this is Madam Stella Atakpa. She is a native of Abor town. She comes from Abor, so she's the one sponsoring this program. So I want to introduce Irene Atakpa, who is a daughter of Madam Stella Atakpa. Irene, where are you? They are far and over there.
Facilitators of projects, staff present, media, students and teachers from sister schools, that's Abor RC and Abor EP, students, SBTs, ladies and gentlemen. Today marks an important day for our students to exhibit their projects. This is one of our 60 years anniversary activity in Abor School. And I therefore expect you to lay more emphasis on it. We have STEM schools in the country, and students were engaged in many engineering and technical activities. We thank God we are privileged to have an NGO sponsoring this course, Madam Stella Atakpa. That is Opportunity and Risk Management Institution 2025, the 4th edition. On behalf of the board, PTA School Management, I welcome you to Abor School. Have a fruitful exhibition. Thank you.
This year's program saw several schools in the Volta region participating and showcasing their innovative projects. The event featured students from Abor Senior High School, Abor RC Basic School, and Abor EP JHS, who presented a total of 10 projects.
We were part of the program, but for this particular class of people, this is their first time. The other people have completed school.
The project showcased at the event were creative and demonstrated the skills and knowledge of the students. Some of the projects included from Abor Senior High School, manual lawnmower, waste burning stove, piezoelectric generator; from Abor RC Basic, power inverter, PA system, automatic day and night lights and briquettes; from Abor EPJHS, lawn mower, vacuum cleaner, smart dustbin for both dry and wet cleaning.
When you press it, it produces current.
It produces current.
This one is going to store the current.
Okay.
And later be used to charge the mobile phone.
So
that's what it is.
what's the wattage?
So it produces a voltage of between 6 volts to 5 volts. But there are rectifiers and step downs. Normally our mobile devices need 5 volts to charge. So there are rectifiers and step downs that have been connected to the USB port in order to give it required 5 volts.
In April 2022, we started a journey of helping students to identify the genius within them through innovation and creativity. Today's STEM Fair is not only a celebration of this legacy, but also a statement of intent for the future.
Okay, Miza Unkufuyo Kala Miagbo Aba Neto na Adanama for a tour. I can't do it. I told you, I lebe Magawa few. And I told you, number Puna to her, Naganya Gobo, na Adope Bliavo, I believe for Goboa. I can't do it. Hana told you. Mongareli na tojo kama gaba afie no arumazu afio kuka ako starch aka kaya mamiza goma pa flour water yemi koko mixi na mixi kuka ako achujoju miza achujoju plus super na starch anaten awo arugoma naten ada you can attempt me na mi gorogoro akapono no moko ka wa ko adodo abale mi o adodo afia okay na akoba akajo adodo fia mi zamawu na ka dodo ya akazamawu na ka alaba fia ha ni ga ba wa kama amajitemo mi ba ide gas akamanya mashami gas jago ni avanya ha akoyo tumi milagba nakajododoro ma afudam kaminya na aleka afo aka hwashi ka aleke mi awa adojovo bima azan ga fun areko tabi ba bo okay mi wo research mi ba eji kobaleke mi awo mi ba kere na nwaleka.
The managing director of OMI Ghana, Madam Stella Akuatakpa, demonstrated her commitment to promoting STEM education in the Volta region by sponsoring various schools to participate in the program.
Together, let's continue to build a future where knowledge meets action and where the next big ideas could come from, right here in Abor.
The decentralization of the OMI STEM program to various schools in the Volta region is a valuable initiative to promote innovation and creativity among students. The program will likely inspire more students to pursue careers in STEM fields.
We use dry materials from our, especially dry woods. Then we burn them into charcoal. Then we added cassava flour and then molded it into this form. So that instead of using your firewood to cook, which is giving you a lot of smoke, and then the heat entering your body, we prefer to use this to that of the charcoal, the firewood, and even charcoal. Because this, when you are using it to set fire to cook, it will last longer than the normal charcoal. Maybe what a 5 cedi charcoal can cook, this about 2 or 3 of it can do that for you.